Andrew here, Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, 704-966-1650, option 3 for free tech support. Okay, right now I'm going to show you how to put the cover on a Tuttnauer Automatic Autoclave, whether it's an E model, an EA model, or an EZ9 or EZ10, even an EZ10K or an EZ9K. Okay, all right, so you need your screws, obviously. You need your Phillips screwdriver. I got the HEPA filter and cap right there. All right, so I like to take this, these models, I like to put the top on first because I have to put the HEPA filter in. So I get the top, as you can see, the HEPA filter tube is running underneath. To allow myself, good room, I like to do it like that. See how I did that? Nice and easy. Then I can make sure, then I can finish up. I can make sure the lips are in here perfectly. I got my cap coming out here. I can get in here also for the ground. There's a ground in the back here. I'll show you that here in a second. This is the ground. That plugs into the back right here. Boom. Back here. You also want to tuck it back so it doesn't get wrapped up. Okay, now I will put the back plate on. There's also ground here. The way these things work is they got an interlocking tab here, and then you like to sit it up here, and you like to get that going right here. I like to put either this one right here where the plug goes into. See, I got my ground wire sticking in there, so I'm going to push that to the side. That there. And then I go to this bottom one. Now my top is in place. It's properly aligned right here. I'm going to screw these in, and then from there, you're going to go around the whole thing. You got 2 screws here. You got 2 screws here. You got 2 on the left side, 2 on the top, and 2 on the right side. And then most importantly, we're going to put the HEPA filter in. We got this. Plug it in here. Oops. Depending on the cover in the cap, you might have slots. Just kind of wiggle your way in here, line those slots up with the hole in the cabinet, and tighten it down. That's how you put the cover on of a Tuttnauer Automatic model. See, again, we got our lip here. Our lip is on the top, our lip is on the side, and we can go ahead and screw in all our screws. Okay, great. If you like this video, please share it. Please subscribe to our channel. And please stay tuned for more Tuttnauer troubleshooting videos. Have a great day.